What is up, everyone? It is Monday, July 27th, and we're excited to be here, man. Weekend was good. Spent time with my sister. It was her anniversary, and then spent time with my fiance. Went to her parents' house. It was good, man. But now we are back in business. Okay, let's go ahead and get to this. Um, we marked the overnight high. We marked the overnight low. For full transparency, the balance is at 810.60. We are on this week, and I'm really hoping, the balance is at 800, but I'm really hoping we can get a cash out by Friday. But if we don't, that's okay. We're just looking for, limited trades, consistency, and we're just trying to build. Ideally, I'd like to get this to about 2,000, then cash out 1,000 times 3 accounts, which would be really good because that's US and I'm Canadian, so that's like 5K Canadian. I mean, if you're making 5K Canadian a month just off this, that's pretty good, and that's off 3 accounts. Normally, I have five, so it just puts everything into perspective. Really, when you're only working for about 20, 30 minutes a day, right? So let's see what the charts are telling us today right now. Okay, first we go to the 30-minute chart. Tell us the entirety of the story. Okay, the entirety of the story tells me it's kind of been stuck in this range here, where the overnight high and overnight low, where I marked that off since Sunday, right? That's where the um, all right, that's where we started. Was that July 26th? What's the date today? July 27th. Okay, this is a 30-minute candle. It's been kind of bearish since 6 a.m. Let's check out the 1 hour candle, see what's going on here. Again, a bit of a bearish downfall since about July 21st. Let's check out the 1 day calendar, just because why not? Again, bearish since June 26th. We've kind of been stuck in this chop and then a slight downtrend. All right, that shit doesn't really, it matters, but let's go back to what we know the best, the 1 minute chart. The 1 minute chart, our bread and butter. So what are we going to do here? We're going to trade 3 micros. That's it. We've been doing good with 3 micros right now. Currently, the market is trading below the VWAP. The VWAP is right here. The 9 EMA is trading below the 21 EMA. So the overall trend of the market is bearish, confirmed by the VWAP. So we're looking for shorts, okay? Unless we see a rise and a pullback, then we're looking for longs. But right now, as it stands, we are looking for shorts, okay? Market opens in 20 seconds. Let's go. If you're trading today, I wish you the best of luck. We want to see everyone win. This video will be uploaded on YouTube as soon as I'm done trading. Let's have a very blessed week. Remember, slowly is the fastest way to get to where you want to be. If you miss a trade, don't worry, another will come. What's worse, missing a trade or blowing your account? Definitely missing a trade. Markets are open. Let's go. Okay, so the first candle, since it's been dropping, we might see a uphill. It's been super bearish, right? Yeah, sellers aggressively selling off. Everything trading below the VWAP. The 21 EMA is above the 9 EMA, confirming the bearish market currently. Now the sellers might be exhausted, so we gotta see confirmation, all that kind of stuff. RSI is about 20, which is pretty much indicating it's oversold at this point, but never try to catch a falling knife, right? If it's falling, you gotta let it fall. Remember, this is just the first candle, and there's not much conviction on either side on the first candle, so we just gotta keep on waiting. See, with micros, we don't have to hesitate, right? So if it pushes back here, we can sell, which I should have done. That would have been a nice little sell. Like I said, we're looking for shorts. That would have been a good short right there already. But we can always just wait for the pullback again and do it again. Okay, so look at right there. If it pulls back a little bit, we're gonna sell. Oh, we should have done it already again. Waiting, 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 waiting. How does close? What's gonna happen? Okay, I mean confirmation is pretty confirmed. It's gonna sell there. Let's sell right there. If it goes too high, we're gonna cash out of this, but we're taking a risk here, right? Because I do think it's still gonna continue to drop. There it is. Okay, there it is. There it is. There it is. We're in a trade live, and this is a great one again. We caught it, caught the move. We're in it. It's gonna hit the overnight low here, and we might just take it. We're not gonna get greedy at all because we like money, so we're taking it. Boom, just like that, and we're done for the day. We don't know what's gonna happen there. It might act as a support level. It might bounce back up. So we took a trade of $329, and that's it. Happy Monday, baby. How long was that? 2 minutes. Yeah, guys. So, I mean, in 2 minutes we made $329 trading micros, which is absolutely amazing. The reason we sold off here is because we are okay with that. I mean, we're in the consistency account anyways, so it doesn't really matter to us. I mean, we took one trade for $329, and that's an amazing, fantastic day. So, guys, tomorrow we'll be back at it, but for today, that's it. Love y'all. This will be on YouTube ASAP.